Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're someone who enjoys trying bleeding edge Linux distributions, there's a brand new release you should know about. AerynOS 2026.08 has officially arrived, bringing Linux kernel 7.1, GNOME 50.3, Cosmic 1.5, and a lot of improvements under the hood. But before you rush to install it, there's one important thing you should know. So let's get started. AerynOS, previously known as Serpent OS, has released its latest ISO snapshot, and the biggest highlight is the move to the Linux 7.1 kernel. This means users can expect improved hardware compatibility, slightly better performance, and all the latest kernel enhancements. But this update isn't just about a newer kernel. The developers have been focusing on making AerynOS easier to maintain in the long run. They've introduced a brand new Moss KDL configuration format along with a redesigned on-disk repository layout. While these changes aren't flashy, they lay the foundation for future on-disk upgrades and improved package manager support. The goal is simple: install the operating system once and keep updating it forever without needing major reinstalls. According to the developers, users will automatically receive new features through regular system updates, moving AerynOS closer to a true install once, update forever experience. Storage also gets some attention in this release. AerynOS now supports the native Reflink format for its hardlink driver, allowing more efficient file operations. The team is also developing an optional read-only EROFS metadata image system, which should provide similar benefits while improving overall efficiency. As for desktop environments and software, AerynOS 2026.08 ships with GNOME 50.3 and the latest Cosmic 1.5 desktop components. Under the hood, many core packages have also been refreshed, including Mesa 26.1.6, NetworkManager 1.58, QEMU 11, Wine 11, Firefox 153, Thunderbird 153, Systemed 261, Vulkan 1.4.3, 5.7, PHP 8.5, NVIDIA 610 drivers, WaveVR, Dank Material Shell, and many other updated libraries and tools. One interesting detail is that alongside the new Linux 7.1 kernel used by the operating system, the release also includes the Linux 6.18 LTS kernel package for users who prefer long-term support options. Overall, AerynOS 2026.08 is another solid step forward for this ambitious Linux distribution. The focus isn't only on new software versions, but also on building a modern architecture that can evolve over time without forcing users to reinstall their systems. However, keep in mind that AerynOS is still in alpha. It's great for testing, experimenting, or contributing feedback, but it's not recommended for production systems or daily work just yet. So, what do you think about AerynOS and its install once, update forever approach? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more Linux news and open source updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.